Welcome everybody to TinyKeyHoleMinis. Thank you all so much for subscribing, for joining me, and making this all possible. Okay, tiny friends, today is day 5 and the final day of my 5-day 5K giveaway. And if you have missed any of the giveaways, just click the playlist in the link below. The giveaway will be going for an additional 2 weeks after today. So you still have plenty of time to get in there. I encourage you to enter all 5 giveaways, but you'll only be able to win one giveaway. So let's see what the final giveaway is. Yay! Alrighty, today's giveaway is going to be a craft supply giveaway, beginning with these 2 mini bottles of Mod Podge. You'll get gloss and matte, and this mini bottle of Aleene's tacky glue. 3 essential supplies if you are a crafter. I'm also going to include some Crafter Square supplies in this giveaway. Crafter Square comes from the Dollar Tree, and this is a set of poker tools. I love using these, but I do break them a lot. So if you're heavy-handed like me, just be cautious of that. But if you have a Dollar Tree in your local area, you can find them there. This giveaway will also include a set of craft clamps. These are mini clips, and you get a set of 6 in this pack. This is from Crafter Square. I love using these. These are very helpful if you're making miniatures or if you're into crafts. And I love that they're pink. So this will be included as well. Okay, tiny friends, your first password for today's giveaway is fun. Because I am having so much fun giving away all of these supplies. So make sure to listen for your second password because you're going to need that in order to qualify for the giveaway. I recently found this next item. It is a silicone mat for your glue gun. And I'm always using like wax paper or scrap paper to put my glue gun on. And Crafter Square has come out with their own. I purchased one for myself and I've been using it. The glue it doesn't even stick to the mat. So if your hot glue gun drips hot glue, which most of them do, you could I'm not even going to say peel it or pick it, but you just take it off. It just comes right off. It doesn't stick. These are so great to have. So this will also be included in the giveaway. This giveaway also includes a tiny pair of crane scissors. These are vintage crane scissors. They're perfect for cutting tiny pieces. They come with a little guard on them. I purchased these ones from Temu. I also purchased myself a pair, and I wanted to give these away so bad. Now, you can find these on Temu just for a few dollars, and you can also find other decorative small metal scissors as well. My daughter gave me my first pair of these. I'm not sure where she purchased them from, but when I found them on Temu, I purchased a set of 2. So you can find listings that have a set of 2 as well. You'll also be able to find different type of decorative scissors like these. And these came from Temu, and they come with different color options. So if you're looking for smaller scissors for your crafts, check on Temu. Okay, this giveaway is also going to include a set of 5 disposable pipettes. These are liquid droppers, and they're wonderful. They're very flexible. The plastic is pretty soft. You can use them more than once if you rinse them out right away after you're done using them. And when you're ready to throw them away or dispose of them, you can use them for your crafts and turn them into some sort of creative miniature. So you'll get a set of 5 I found these in a large bulk set off of Temu. Okay, this giveaway is also going to include one of my favorite items that I found on Temu, and these are filing sticks. They have a rough grit file on the tips, and you'll get a set of 5 of these. They have an angled tip to them, and they're very handy for getting into those smaller spaces. And then there's an angled tip on the other end as well. I believe these are used for nails, and they are super handy for miniature crafts or any type of crafting where you're going to need to sand in small areas where it's harder to get into. Okay, tiny friends, your second password for this giveaway is happy, because I am truly happy to be able to give all of these supplies away in hopes that it will help somebody in need. It just makes me happy to do that. So make sure to put both of the passwords on your entry form and just click on the link in the description box below. If you have missed any of the prior giveaways, you'll also find a playlist in the description box below. You can click on that to enter any of the other giveaways if you've missed any. This giveaway will be up for 2 weeks from today, so you have plenty of time. And then I'll do a winner reveal for all 5 giveaways. That is it for today's giveaway, tiny friends. I hope you enjoy it. And I'd like to say good luck to everyone that enters any of the giveaways. As always, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and thank you all so much for your support. Honestly, I could not be doing this without you all. So if you've enjoyed any of these giveaway videos, please click that like button and give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you're thinking in the comments below. Please feel free to share these giveaway videos with any of your friends. And until next time, tiny friends, I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you all on the mini side. Bye-bye.